Today is a very special day, y'all, because I finally did it. I finally bought a GoPro. This is the first video with my brand new GoPro Hero 10. First started motovlogging, I was all about these cheap Chinese cameras. And, well, I mean, I didn't know any better, so as far as I'm concerned, they look great. Looking at the spec sheet, it's like, okay, cool, this thing can do 4K, 30 frames a second. That's all I need, right? Perfect. You know, but I didn't take into consideration the actual hardware. Because when I took this GoPro out of the box and held it with the other action camera, just the weight difference alone, like, you could tell this is a quality unit. As long as the batteries don't overheat, like I hear they do sometimes. And if you've watched any of my somewhat recent videos, you know that I've been using an Insta360 as a helmet cam, which actually I really liked. But we had a little bit of an accident. So I was out filming with it about a week and a half ago. I had stopped to turn the camera off and turn my audio recorder off. And this happened. God damn it. You know what, I was actually feeling really good too. I had a good ride. I was feeling a whole lot better. So, you know, I hadn't been feeling the best there lately. And now my brand new Icon helmet with its brand new gold face shield and almost brand new Insta360 rolls in the middle of the street. Cool. So now the 360 is all scratched up and has a big old chunk missing out of the lens. So it still works, but there's a blurry spot kinda like in this general area. Thrilled to death, I can assure you. So the Insta's going back on the bike. It may be going back to the manufacturer to see if they can replace the lens. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure out how concerned I am. Because it's not horrible, it's just really annoying. But if I end up sticking it on somewhere and it ends up falling off, it's going to do the same thing all over again. Because it was always my intention to have the Insta mounted on the bike anyway. It was never meant for my helmet. But that's not the reasoning for getting a GoPro. The main reason was, while I was also filming at that time, I was using my cheapy Chinesey camera to try to get, you know, so you guys could, you know, look at my pretty face while we're cruising around. That's got to be worth at least $1 or $2, right? But I got back and reviewed the footage and it looked like this. Well, let's just say, even though it was filmed at 2.7K and rendered in 1080, I don't think that's going to work. Because, like, well, if I'm going to buy something decent anyway, may as well be something for my helmet. And I settled on the GoPro 10, because I don't need, like, the newest. And other than, like, battery issues, I've heard good things. So we'll see how it goes. And I want to use really good quality equipment anyway, so I can bring you guys the best videos I can, because I think you're worth it. Because it's like I said, I can make 1,000,000 videos, but if nobody's going to watch them, if you guys aren't watching them, it doesn't do any good. So I'm still really beaten up about the 360. It still breaks my heart. I'll get over it. But hey, if it's going back on the bike, maybe we might be able to get some more cool footage like we did right in this video here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya!